Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can look for any updates for your apps on your Xperia 5 Mark IV. For that, you want to go to your Play Store and then click on your account there and then go to Manage Apps and Device. Here you see updates available, 32 updates pending. You can say update them all without looking at it, but you can also click on See Details, and here you see all the apps that are ready for an update. You can update them one by one, or you also click here on Update All, and then all the apps will be updated. But you can totally just go ahead and look for one specific app you want to update, because maybe, I don't know, the app doesn't work as it should anymore, or there's something else with it, and you just want to see if there's an update available. So you can just update that, and then, I don't know, maybe it's just something in the background that you won't even notice, or it's a new design for the app. Whatever it is, you will see it after the update. So that's how you look for any updates for your apps on your Xperia 5 Mark IV. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.